Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bonded Creations. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Saban, and welcome to my classroom. Today is a Reflection Sunday, and so I said I'm going to go live today so that I can introduce my channel. It's all about new beginnings, and Bonded Creations is a new beginning for me. So I'm not going to craft tonight. I'm just going to talk to everybody a little bit, tell you a little bit about myself and what to expect on this channel, and give you some exciting news that's going to be coming up in the next couple weeks with Bonded Creations. So at Bonded Creations, we make stuff. So I'm not claiming to be an expert in the crafting world. I am not claiming that every video is going to be a tutorial. But what I will say is that if you want to learn how to make some stuff, you're in the right place. Come on over here and make stuff along with me. As you can see, my craft room is not perfect yet, but I'm working on it. But I said, you know what? I can't wait for perfection. I have to come on in and start my YouTube journey. I wanted to do this for several months now. I've been crafting for several years. I started crafting during COVID. I bought a Cricut Explorer 2 and I said, I'm going to teach myself how to craft. Started watching YouTube videos and really enjoyed crafting. A lot of people who I told about my channel and what I wanted to do with YouTube said, crafting, Lisa, we would never take you for a crafter. I said, well, I understand that. I am honestly not the most creative person on the planet. But what I'm here to show you is you do not have to be a huge creative mind to craft. There's loads of resources. We have Creative Fabrica. We've got things in Cricut Design Space. We've got things in Silhouette Studio. We've got things in Canva that can help you be creative once you have an idea of what you want to do. And if you don't have any idea on what you want to do, you will come over and watch somebody like me, and we'll throw some ideas around and find out some good crafts to do. I made this t-shirt. This is my Bonded Create branded t-shirt. And it's one of the first things that I've done for my channel to make sure that, I use HTV. I do projects with uh, vinyl, regular vinyl, PVC, PVC, PCB. And I don't always have the terms right either, but that's okay too. But that permanent vinyl that you put on things, that's not clothing that you don't use heat, got some of that too. We do tumblers over here. I like doing tumblers. I am not a tumbler expert, but I do sublimation tumblers. I do UV DTF tumblers. I like doing tumblers and creating tumblers for the kiddos, especially. I've got an 8-year-old, I've got nieces, I've got nephews, I've got grandbabies. You name it, I make the tumblers for them. So you'll see tumblers on this channel. Over here, you see my wall of vinyl. So obviously I do a lot of different versions of HTV. I haven't done puff yet, but we're going to do puff together. We're going to tackle that one together. But flock, and my favorite is glitter. I'm a glitter girly. So you'll see me use a lot of glitter and a lot of colors. You won't see a lot of pink, but I'm working on that. I'm not a pink girly, but I'm working on getting out of my pink shell because I know pink is one of those colors that the ladies like. I'm just not a pink girly, but we're working on that. So I got pink vinyl, pink HTV, and all of the pink things so that I can do pink with the audience and my viewers and everybody that wants to be part of the Bonded Creations movement. And so what else can I tell you about me? I like sublimation. I've got a printer, which is actually sitting over here, that I have to convert. My old sublimation printer died. And so I'm going to do a video on converting my printer to sublimation. I've got the ink, and I'm going to walk everybody through that for those that are interested in converting a printer to sublimation when you don't necessarily want to invest in a sublimation printer. That's an alternative. I've got a heat press here. I've got an HTV heat press. I'll show everybody that. I've got a new heat press that I have to unbox. And so that'll be one of our upcoming videos. And I'm very excited about that because, I gave my swing away because it didn't really fit in my craft room, because when you have to swing it takes up a lot of space. So my husband got me one. So we're going to see that in the near future. But one of the first things I want to do on the channel is I'm going to show everybody the different tools you can use to craft. I've got several different cutting things that I'm going to introduce to everybody that's going to be part of our viewership. So you can see the difference between, the Cricut makers, Cricut Joy, Joy Extra, and kind of decide what kind of cutter is best for you. I've got a couple of other cutters that I'm going to be previewing on the channel too and doing unboxing. And so I want to make sure that everybody tunes in for that too, because that'll make it easier for you to see how the different softwares work, with the different programs, and what best suits your crafting style. Because you don't know what best suits your crafting style until you try to do a couple things. But also don't want to, have people going out and just get tools. Like you can watch somebody have tools, which is what I've done in my crafting journey. And you see various things behind me. There's a Cricut hat press behind me. That over there is my drink fridge. Shh. I hide my ginger ales in there. Don't tell anybody because all I generally drink is ginger ale. So I hide them over here in my craft room so I can keep them away from everybody. But that is really what I wanted to do today or this evening. Like I said, before the evening was out, I wanted to make sure that I got the opportunity to talk to everyone. I've had a lot of encouragement from the crafting community. I was fortunate enough to find a community of crafters that were willing to encourage each other. Make sure you stay accountable to yourself, because I have not been, but they have been holding me accountable to get my channel up and running. And so here is the launch of that and learning. So there's a lot of things that I need to still learn in this YouTube journey. I am a party of one in a room of one. So I'm still learning how to use the software, the chat and all of the things to make improvements on my channel. So as you see my videos and when we're live or when you're viewing pre-recorded videos, if you have suggestions for improvement, please feel free to put them in. If you have links to other videos, they're like, hey, check this out. This may be helpful to you. But like I said, we're going to be here to craft. We're going to make things together. I'm going to show you the good things and the ugly things that I make because everything is not perfect. I did a rhinestone shirt the other day, and it is far from perfect. I finished it, but it's far from perfect. And I'm going to do a video on how I can do a better version of that because I want everybody to understand that, we don't quit necessarily because our project doesn't look as the way we want it to. That's why we practice. That's why you have to have somebody to craft with. And that's my goal. Come on over to Bonded Creations and craft with me because we're going to make stuff and we're going to make really good stuff. And the good thing I think about tuning into my channel and viewing me, Lisa, is that, you'll be able to get a little bit of inspiration, craft along with me, and then put your own spin on it. I'm not going to be the one to encourage you to duplicate me. I want you to be inspired by me. As you join the crafting community and you're looking at other influencers and other creators, you want to be inspired to start creating your own projects your own way. And so that's always going to be an encouragement when you're watching Bonded Creations is do it your own way. Follow me at first if you don't know how to do it. And if I don't know how to do it, we'll do it together. It's okay. We can do things together because together is how you learn. But also taking those learnings and practicing and putting your own spin on it, making your own t-shirts, making things for your friends and your families. There's nothing like giving friends and families personalized gifts. You don't have to be a professional salesperson to craft. You don't have to want to have a craft business to craft. You may want to do that as an aspiration, but to start off, you may just want to learn how to craft, make things, and have them in your home. And that's a reason to watch Bonded Creations because we're going to make things for our home. We're going to make things for our family, but we're also going to make things that if you really are interested in selling, things that you can sell for a profit and build on from there. So hopefully this gave you an introduction to me. Once again, I am Lisa, and this is my channel, Bonded Creations. You're going to see a lot more content coming out from me. So stay tuned. Check me out. We'll get some pre-recorded videos, and I'm going to do more lives. And when I do my next live, we're also going to craft together. So whether you're watching a pre-recorded video and you're crafting along with me, which is what I would suggest, don't just watch, craft along. I'm going to try to create all of my videos so they're easy to craft along with me. Because at the end, I'm going to want to see your creations. Did you make it the way that I made it? Did you make it your way? Drop it in the chat. Let me see. That's going to be another thing. I'm going to see what you're creating with me because, like I said, we make stuff over here. So thank you for tuning in. If you're viewing this live, thank you for being here with me. If there's any comments, I can't see them. And that's going to be something I work on, how I see the chat. But if you're watching this as a recording, feel free to leave me a message in the chat. I'm going to check them in the morning. But like I said, I really wanted to make sure that I came on today and did a video, introduced myself, introduced Bonded Creations to the YouTube community. I've been on a lot of people's lives, participated in a lot of the chat sessions and trying to get myself in the community. And I just wanted the community to know I appreciate all of your support, and you're going to hear a lot more from me about my crafty friends, my crafty cousins, as we start to see them in the chat, and you'll hear more about them. I'm sure I'll duplicate their projects too, because they do fantastic things. And so stay tuned for that, because we're going to do some really exciting stuff. I'm going to try to get involved in some more really exciting stuff. And like I said, everybody that has supported thus far and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. If you're watching for the first time, like everybody else is, because it's my first video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. Show Lisa Bonded Creations a little bit of love here on her first venture into the YouTube world. I was a little nervous about starting my channel, but I'm here. And now that I'm here to stay. I'm excited about being here. I'm looking forward to sharing more with you and sharing more about me, my personality, who I am, and who I am as part of Bonded Creations. And so with that, I'm going to say good night. I know it's late and it's Sunday. Everybody is probably still full or sleepy from your Resurrection Day Easter dinners. And so I hope everybody had a fantastic day. We had a lot of good eating. We had a lot of good crafting shows going on today. And I just want to round that out with thank you for those who are watching me right now. I definitely appreciate you hanging there with me for a little bit so that I can introduce myself to the YouTube community. And once again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video so that when I see the next one, I'm even more excited than I am now. I don't know how much more I can get excited than I am right here on this first video, but I'm sure it's more than right now. But I appreciate everybody for joining. And thank you. You will hear more from me. You will see more from me. And I appreciate you watching. So thank you. Now I'm going to walk to the other side of the room and hit that live button off because I've been talking from back here. And I got to come over here to my desk. So everybody have a good night.